Good afternoon. It's nice to be back in Shanghai, GTI. It's an honor to be here. I am going to spend a few minutes. I'm going to go through a few ideas. I'll try and speak a little bit slower than I usually do to give the interpreters a chance to keep up with me. It is crazy, the conversations that we have here, they're so intense. You can see 5G, the mix of 5G, the concept of AI, and the connecting of everything, every person. I remember when we talked about Industry 4.0 years ago and how 5G was going to impact that. And as you walk the halls here and you have meetings, it's clear that we're rapidly moving towards a world where everyone and everything can be intelligently connected. It's being fueled by convergence of power-efficient processing, distributed intelligence, and that connectivity at the network edge, where billions of smart devices are continuously being connected to the cloud and to each other. This is enabling new services. It's enabling new business models and new experiences that are not only digitally transforming industries, but also how we work. It changes how we live and how we communicate and connect with others. 5G is essential to the digital future. It came at the right time. It came right before the pandemic, and it's here at the beginning of AI. And it's already built the foundation for where 6G will eventually arrive. With its superior performance, reliability, and capacity, 5G is critical infrastructure for the digital economy. In China, Qualcomm is working with companies across ecosystems of emerging 5G opportunities. To help accelerate these opportunities, we've established 5 joint 5G innovation centers with local governments and partners. We are also collaborating on millimeter wave, which is key to realizing full potential and value of 5G devices, networks, and services. The wide-scale deployment of 5G is expected to have a significant impact on economic growth across the globe. In China, 5G is forecasted to generate 10 trillion yuan of gross domestic economic output by 2035. 10 trillion. How about 13 million new jobs? It'll create and support 13 million new jobs. To the extent the reach of 5G to more industries, we've been working with industry leaders such as China Mobile to drive its evolution with 5G Advanced. This next step of the 5G roadmap will bring enhanced capabilities and features that will enable new industries, new use cases, and new experiences. This includes AI-driven system designs, new optimization for XR, and support for lower complexity IoT devices with NR Lite. Qualcomm is also researching new technologies and techniques on the path to 6G. To ensure interoperability and scalability, it's imperative to maintain a global standard with 6G. Let me say that one more time. To ensure interoperability and scalability, it's imperative to maintain global standard with 6G. It's how we get scale. It's how we all get scale, which has been critical to the growth and success of mobile historically. AI is another technology essential to the digital future. It's here. It's enabling devices to perceive. It's enabling devices to sense. It's enabling devices to operate more autonomously. As growth in the number of connected devices and data traffic continue to accelerate, it won't be feasible to send everything to the cloud. To scale AI, it's critical to integrate AI processing on the device. Critical to integrate AI processing on the device. You may not realize it, but AI is already present on your smartphone, touching virtually every aspect of the smartphone experience, from camera to modem and RF performance to malware detection. Running AI on device also provides a number of important benefits, such as greater immediacy, reliability, personalization, and privacy. We're now extending those capabilities to PCs, IoT devices, cars, and XR headsets to bring the power of intelligence to more products. Let me go through that again. It's not just your handset. It will migrate to the PCs, the IoT devices, the cars, the XR headsets to bring more power of intelligence to all of those consumer electronic products. One of the biggest trends now is large language models and generative AI. As use of these models accelerates, running them in the cloud alone will become too impractical based on just the sheer volume of tokens, and too costly to data center infrastructure, the data center power, and the maintenance required for a data center. With on-device intelligence, we're driving the inevitable shift to hybrid AI architectures, where AI workloads are split between the edge devices and the cloud, enabling the delivery of highly optimized and efficient AI processing. We believe hybrid architectures will play an essential role in allowing AI large language models to reach their full potential, but that requires the ability to shift to hybrid AI architectures where AI workloads are split between the edge devices and the cloud. The combination of 5G and AI is unleashing an era of innovation across every industry. For the industrial segment, these technologies are powering transition to Industry 4.0 with greater automation and control capabilities, predictive maintenance, digital twins, and more. I've been impressed, truly have been impressed with China's efforts in promoting 5G industrial applications, as well as the plans to build over 10,000 5G factories in a 5-year period. In automotive, vehicles are now becoming connected computers on wheels, integrated advanced processing, intelligence, and connectivity. China's automotive makers are now becoming connected. China's automakers are also at the forefront of this evolution, having already launched vehicles with 5G, as well as CV2X connectivity. Not just 5G autonomous driving, but CV2X connectivity. Qualcomm has an industry-leading portfolio of platforms and solutions designed to help companies develop their digital platforms, develop their digital transformations, and develop their digital goals. Qualcomm has a long history in China that spans nearly 3 decades. I spoke to that earlier today. Over the years, we've worked closely with companies across ecosystems in China, including operators, device manufacturers, suppliers, and the government to support their continued growth. I'm proud of the strong relationships we have built with these and numerous other companies in China, and we are committed to ongoing collaborations to help accelerate China's digital future. And I thank you for the time, thank you for attention, and enjoy the rest of your summit.